What is it? Olako. I think it is you NWC is waiting for there.
Shh. My mother awaits my return. Plus, I do not want to listen to this fool talk. So please, let's take another route. Please.
Okay.
Olako, wait! Olako! Olako!
It's okay. Oh.
My mother's precious pot.
Ula!
Mama!
What happened? Where's your water pot?
It's not.
Mama.
What happened?
We're coming back from the stream and NWC was chasing us. Then she fell and her water pot got broken.
NWC again?
Yes, Mama.
Just because of NWC, you broke my water pot. Uzo, Dalo, you've done well.
Okay. Mama, I have to go start going. My mother will be waiting for me.
Okay. Hey! NWC, NWC, I cannot do. NWC, hey! No! Enough of him. My daughter, let's go. Let him face me. Let's go.
Yes, Mama.
Let's go. Where are you, Okengbe? Where are you, Agafu? Where are you, NWC? The castrated he got that cannot control that which is in between his stars. Where are you? Come out! Come out and face me! Come out and face me, Okengbe!
Woman, if I were you, I would choose my words wisely.
I can never be! Never like the vulture who does not have a right of choice but to eat anything that is already dead.
Mama.
Let me talk to her! Let me handle her! Oh! Do you think because you accidentally became queen, you now have the power to shut me up? Hey! Go in there and bring out that curse he got of your brother who cannot let my daughter rest.
You have insulted me enough.
Soon, I will rain down the venom of my wrath on your household. Look at you, Lele. Lele. Look at her. Say one place. Look at you, Lele. The butterfly that thinks herself a bird. Eh? Look at her.
Let's go. Leave her alone.
Look at her. Hi.
Leave her alone. Let's go.
I will slap you now.
I don't think
Hey, you Okengbe. Oh, Mona Geta. Iburum Wogi. It is me and you today. One minute. Mama, please! Mama, please!
Let me make it clear to you. Despite your mischief in this palace, that thing you call a child or a son will never answer my name. I never wanted it. And I will never want it. I don't even want you. Machi is the only woman that can satisfy me.
You, I will choose my words wisely.
I can never be, never like the vulture who does not have a right of choice but to eat anything that is already dead. Let me talk to her. Let me handle her. Oh, do you think because you accidentally became queen, you now have the power to shut me up? Hey, go in there and bring out that curse he got of your brother, who cannot let my daughter rest.
You have insulted me enough.
Soon, I will rain down the venom of my wrath on your household. Ah, betrayal! Look at you, Lele. Lele. Look at her. Say one place. Look at you, Lele. The butterfly that thinks herself a bird.
Ada kosime onye se ka buru ya ga-eme gịnị akwa mata buru ya nketa ya tie anya Ikenga n'ọtanụ Ikenga ka na-ekwu Ikenga ka na-akpọ onye fụrụ mmanwụ kele mmanwụ nna m n'ugwu onye fụrụ mmanwụ kele mmanwụ nna m n'ugwu mmadụ ike bụ mmadụ egboro ya ewu ma Ikenga bụ mmadụ egboro ya efi maka Ikenga bụ odogwu Ikenga odogwu. You cannot have him. His love for her is pure. Their hearts are entwined at the ocean of four gods. He is hers and she is his. Daughter Fudoka, why do you choose to separate what the nature has chosen and rejoice with?
She was not supposed to belong to him. But me, I first loved him. I gave him my heart. He was meant for me. But that cursed maiden took him away from me.
Honestly, I am confused. And if I am confused, the spirits are as well. How did she steal him away from you?
That was awesome, my friend. The gods really gifted you with the gift of music. And I believe they will be glad to hear you play the flute.
Was I that good?
Yes, my friend. I know I do not know how to flatter, and I cannot do that to my prince.
Thank you. You know, you have a way of making me happy, you know. What will you be doing later today?
Nothing exactly. Just the usual work. Do you want me to help you do something, my prince?
Nothing really. I was going to invite you to come with me to a walk. I'll be going around the kingdom today.
I'll gladly do so, my prince.
Okay. Okay then. Now, why don't you go get ready?
Okay, my prince.
How are you? Nice. Can you hear the voice? A melodious voice. It sounds like the gods.
My prince, it might be a spirit. There are stories of spirits going about the land, giving bad luck to whoever that sees it.
Well, if a spirit with such a beautiful voice has bad luck to share, I'll be so glad to share in her bad luck. Come, let's go see it.
My prince, let's go.
Come, just come with me. Hey, come on, let's go. Even the wind and the gentle breeze of Amaususu River will be jealous of your voice. I'm sorry to startle you, my fair lady.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
My prince, what are you doing in the bush?
I was walking around the kingdom and I heard a voice singing so melodiously. more melodious than the birds in the sky. Then I decided to find out who the voice is. And it is a fair lady from my kingdom.
Thank you, my prince.
What's your name? Which clan are you from? And what's your father's name?
I am from Ibeku clan, my prince. My name is Machi, Masinachi. I am the daughter of late Ichie Okorie Amadi.
Son. Oh, Father.
You seem happy today. What is the secret of your happiness?
I'm just happy because of the beautiful nature that the gods has blessed us with. So, what brings you here, Father?
A man whose house is on fire does not go to sleep until he puts out the fire. I've been so busy preparing the two maidens that I want to present to you so that you can choose your bride from them.
Father, I told you not to worry about these things. Soon I will bring you a maiden that I'll call my bride. Just give me a little time.
That's what you have been saying. You've been saying this all the time. Many months have passed, yet you've not brought the maiden. Akuna, prepare yourself. They will be coming in the next Afro market.
Greetings, royal guards of our land.
Greetings to you. His Highness, Prince Akonna, requests for your presence immediately at the palace.
I'm sorry, but I cannot come with you immediately. Tell the prince that I will see him later, because I'm on an errand for my father.
But we will honor his invitation before the sunset reaches the top.
By my honor, I will.
We will tell him what you said.
Greetings to you, Machi. I'm sorry. The prince just left the palace for a brief errand the king sent me.
Oh, why did he drag me out of my father's compound like this? I thought...
Hi.
My prince.
Machi. You came?
Yes. And I was told by Njide here that you left the palace on an errand for the king.
Oh. And you didn't know I never left the palace. Now that you're here, I'm going nowhere. So come on.
Won't the king be angry?
You ask too many questions. Come on.
Where are you taking me to?
A quiet place where I can listen to your beautiful voice.
Kwankoro bom bomi me peremos Oze honanya bom bomi me peremo Obi honanya Our journey of love just begin If I need to wrong then make your love for more It's like morning sun that's never hot It's like morning sun that's never hurts anyone
Chidito.
You cannot have him.
Tell me, Chidito. Am I not beautiful enough to be the prince's bride?
By the gods, you are endowed with enough beauty to win any man's heart.
So why am I not the one that appeals the prince's heart? Why the maiden from Ibeko clan? I feel so betrayed by the prince.
I warn you for the last time. Forget the prince. You cannot have him.
Father,
Son,
this is the maiden that appeals to my heart, and I wish to make her my bride with your permission.
honestly, I must confess, she is good and endowed with the beauties of the gods. In fact, she's the embodiment of beauty.
Thank you, Your Highness.
My daughter, who is your father? And are you from which clan?
Your Majesty, I am the daughter of late Ichie Okori Amade from Ibeko clan.
Did you say you are the daughter of late Okori Amade?
Yes.
Ibeko clan?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's only a tree that hears it will be cut down and stands. I'm sorry, son. This union will not hold. You must end it straight away.
Why, Father?
When a tortoise wants to embark on a journey, it does not ask anyone which way to follow. Do not ask me why. You must end this union right away. It cannot hold. It can't.
Let's go. Let's go.
My prince, your food is ready.
Oh, leave the food for now.
My prince, what troubles you?
Njide, I'd like to be left alone. I'll come to the food later.
But my prince, you can always talk to me.
Please leave.
My prince. My prince. Are you in there? My prince. My prince, are you there?
What is going on?
Your Majesty. I hope the gods were kind to you last night.
Yes, they were. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, I'm not sure if he's inside. I've been knocking for a while, but no response.
Akonna. Nwana wibi afọ etu ya. Ọ gaghị weta ihe ọ debe na ajọfịa. Listen to me, both of you, and listen very attentively. Because my father told me when he was alive that the mouth cannot feed without the consent of the hand. Both of you are royal guards of this palace. So where is the prince? Where is my son? Where is him?
My king, we saw him leaving this morning and he wanted to follow. He asked us not to.
You mean the prince ordered you back?
Yes, my king.
And left the palace all alone?
Yes, my king.
Well, asị na nwata kwuru ọtọ gwujie ji ọdụ ọnọdụ a na gwuti. It's all your mistakes. You must go and find the prince. And do not return here without him. As I have said, so shall it be done.
Yes, my king.
Idiots. Fools.
Greetings, Your Highness. My father sent you to fetch me?
Yes, my prince. He asked us not to return to the palace without you.
Yes.
My love, please, you have to go with them. I don't want the king to punish you because of me.
No. I promise to take you to the stream and bring you back home. That I must do. If they don't want to be punished, then they must walk with us. You, take this. Fill it with water and bring it for my maiden.
Yes, my prince.
And you, go into the bush. Fetch enough firewood for my maiden. Okay? I'll go. Come back. My love, I want to make the king to see how much I love you and to know that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. That's why I do what I do.
My love, last night I prayed to the gods to make the king accept me as his own daughter.
I know the gods are attentive. I believe they heard you. They will answer you.
You see...
Where did you find him?
He begs clown, Your Majesty.
So after warning you to stay away from that maiden of Ibek, you defy my order and still go back to her. Akuna, so you have grown wings to cross my order. Akuna, you have grown wings?
Father, I have never disobeyed you in any way before now. But I'm sorry I will now. I love Machi.
And I can never stay away from her.
That's the woman I want to be with.
Silent! Silent, I said, you fool!
Nobody will make me stay away from her.
I said silent, you naked fool! Silent before I let loose of my fury on you! Guards! make sure he does not leave this palace, no matter the situation. If he does, I shall behead all of you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can cage me, or you can never cage my affection for her.
What am I nonsense!
It's not as if I'm trying to cross my boundary as a servant in this palace. But may you be kind if I talk to you?
Njide,
Your Highness.
have you ever been in love?
Yes, Your Highness. Do you love her, my prince?
Yes. I've never felt what I feel for her since we met. But why is the gods trying to separate us?
Maybe she's not meant for you. The gods may have put in the hatred in your father's heart for you to see that love is somewhere waiting for you. Even in this palace.
I can never love another. My heart and soul is sold out to her.
Your Highness, look deep. You may find that which you seek is somewhere waiting for you.
My love, I know you'll be feeling lonely right now. I also miss you. Please, my love, just give me a little more time. And I'll be in your arms. And I'll be in your arm. And I'll be in your arms.
Please be patient. They are bringing cola.
Oh, okay.
That's the normal thing. We must break cola nuts.
Yes.
Very important.
Get to paper.
Very important.
Your Highness.
My prince.
You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. That's the beautiful maiden I brought for you. Looking at her, she's very groomed, very beautiful. That's why I asked her father to, you know, in fact, I took out time to...
Your Majesty, if all you're trying to say is that I should marry this lady here,
of course.
You're wrong.
What?
I will never marry another woman apart from Machi. You can give her to Agu. You're one of the guards here. I'm not interested though.
Akonna, listen to me very well. What an elder sees while sitting down, a child will never see it, even if he or she climbs Iroko tree.
Oh yes.
Akunda, you can't keep rejecting all the beautiful maidens that I took time to find for you. You cannot be doing that.
Father, is it not obvious? Have I not made it clear? I don't want any other woman apart from Machi. I will never ever marry another woman except Machi. Let me marry her and I'll be happy. You give me peace, I'll make you happy too, I promise you.
Your Highness, Please, who is that Mmachi?
Machi is Okori Amade's daughter.
God forbid.
My prince, are you intending to marry a wife from the family of a man whose wife killed in broad daylight? In broad daylight! Mba, Omekweme. My prince, reconsider your decision, my prince.
Akunna. Akunna. Ichie. Guru agụpụta n'ọnya agụkata ya ma o kwere arapụ ya ọnya amagbuo ya. Because everyone in Umakoli kingdom knows that Okori Amadi's family is cursed with violence.
Oh yes.
Such family is where my son, the prince, the heir apparent to the throne of Umakoli kingdom, is planning to take a woman as a wife.
Hey.
Read my lips. It will never happen.
Oh, man.
It will not happen. Not even over my dead body. Come you talk about the making trouble here. You are going to practice.
Your Highness.
Your obsession for the prince is becoming so obvious. Be careful.
You may think of me what you want, but just like the lizard, I will never stop nodding my head till the king and the prince notices me.
Listen, you fools. If I don't see my son, if I don't find him, I will sacrifice all of you to Amadio. You all are wrong.
That will not be necessary. Father, that will not be necessary.
Dad!
Your Highness.
Take this trusting away from my presence.
If any of you dare, I will send you to your early grave.
Father, so you sent your harbingers of death after Machi. That was wrong. I did what? You can deny all you care, but I know what you did. Listen, Father, she is going to be staying in this palace with me from now onwards. Let me see how your assassination attempt will work on her. Let me see you through her out.
As a what?
Father.
Father. Immediately, the king fell sick. That cursed maiden stole the prince from me.
What do you want from Itu of Adiofia, the Ogidigidi of Oweri, to do for you? You're asking for the king to love you? Forget it. His heart only belongs to Machi and nothing. Nobody can make him love another, not even I.
Then put him under my control. Yes, I want to own him and everything he has. I don't want to be the vulture that could not eat what she kills, nor the lizard that gnawed at the beautiful house. I want to own the house. In fact, I want to become the ruler of Umakoli Kingdom.
That I will do, but it requires a piece of your hair.
That reminds me. 3 days ago, I was walking. 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 I was walking Have you gone to see the maiden that was brutally beaten by Njide?
No, I actually intend to see her later this evening. I hope she's feeling better now.
She is, but you still need to see her.
Oh, people now can we with the one there. I look for a friend with Chichi. Oh, yes, I cover again. What do you go on the room? I think I did run with the lady. But the 2 of 5 of ya, Finani, I go can hear the latter to Yawangiga. What do you call an occasion with it? I thought to the Yawangiga. Macana John Cock, but an age of ya. Get you a fear with it. Ikenga notano. Ikenga itoche diemano. Ikenga nanja ozo. Ikenga nagwa mihenneku. Akwa gesi meka neme. Makisi mewela kanaga yeme. Okodoko shime. Ikenga nota. Ikenga kanabo. It is done. The sun rises at a place, and the shadows of the sun goes round the whole world. So shall your glory be in that kingdom. You shall reign in supremacy. Now you can go.
Thank you. Itu of Ajofia. Itu of Ajofia. Thank you very much. I shall return with my sacrifice.
You can go. Ikenga Nathan.
Get off me! You cursed maiden of Ibeku clan. How did you get into my palace? God! Hayez, take her away!
Akunda, are you alright?
Hey, you scared? Oh, my name?
Are you alright?
You call my name with your cursed mouth.
What has come over you?
Your people are cursed.
Leave me alone!
Ibeku clan, they are known for curse. So stupid.
My love, my heart, my queen.
Shut up! Clean my foot. You are dirty. Where is Mmachi?
She's in the palace cell. I locked her up.
Good. Take me to her.
Ajọ nwaanyị anyị mere gịnị? Ajọ nwaanyị gịnị ka ị mere gị? Jezebel, obedience, I don't want you. Open Jezebel, I don't want you. No.
What have you done to my husband? Your husband? He was never your husband, but mine. You stole him from me. But today, the gods has put him under my control.
My lady, do I behead her for daring to call me her husband?
No, my husband. No. I want her to be my slave, serve in my palace, and become the vulture she was meant to be.
Yes, my lady.
I am going to rule this land, not just as a queen, but as a king itself. Enjoy yourself in this dungeon.
Lioness.
Njide! The gods and the earth will rise to fight you! Njide, you and your generations will be ridiculed as you have ridiculed the gods! The earth shall reject you and the waters shall be a pain to you! Njide, you will suffer! Njide, you will suffer!
Everybody move, I'm from Nigerian. Everybody move, I'm from Nigerian.
Go this way and kneel down. I said, go this way and kneel down. Guards! You heard me. And you, tell other maidens and guards of this palace that Machi is now one of you. In fact, she is the lowest of you all and must be treated like one. No one should ever call her the queen. And if anyone tries it, if anybody tries that, he or she will lose his life. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Did you understand me?
Yes, Your Highness.
My love, Your Highness, please, do something. You can't allow her to treat me like that.
Shut up!
Please.
Keep quiet. You better choose to serve me and leave, or refuse and die. The choice is yours. Let go. Call me.
Everybody move, I'm from Nigeria. Everybody move, I'm from
Nigeria. Stop crying, Your Highness. I know it seems that the gods have turned their back on you.
But you have to be strong and survive so that you can take back what belongs to you.
How can I survive? How can I survive when the gods have taken everything from me and made me an object of ridicule? How can I survive?
I know it seems so. But if the eighth one without legs can survive during the rainy season, then you, my queen, will surely survive. Please calm down.
What is it? You still have the guts to call me by my name. Is that right? You looked me in the eyes and called me a vulture that eats carcass. Woman, today I will show you that I'm the power that rules this kingdom.
You will eat your own tears!
You shut up if I kill you myself!
I promise you!
Shut up! You! Come with me. You! Sell her into slavery.
Mama! Spare me, please. Just spare me, please. I beg of you.
I do not want to sell you. You have to go. Leave Umwakoli and never return.
You mean you spare me?
Yes. May the gods help you to find a better life anywhere you are.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sorry about the death of your mother. Now go. Go.
Thank you. The gods of this land bless you.
Go.
How much did you sell her?
30 pieces of cowries.
$30 pieces of cowries?
Yes, Your Highness.
You think I didn't see you set her free?
Fools! Fools everywhere! Nobody dares me in this kingdom! I am king in today! Nobody dares me! Your Highness! My lord, what is it? Your Highness! What is it? Please help him, he's dying, please help him! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Please help him, he's dying, please! Please help him! Please help him, he's dying, please! Please help him! Your Highness! My lord!
Ndolio! Ndolio! Abụrụ ndoli n'ife na-ede maka ndoli bụ anya ndị mmụọ ji afọ ibe ezolozo. Anya ndị mmụọ ji afọ ibe ezolozo. Nne mmụọ na ndị egere. Ndị na-emelụ m ibe na ndị na-emelụ ibe. Mmụọ na isi mmadụ na-arụ ekwengo. Ọ na-agba abụba ajọ bụ isi okiriwe nke ọ maara ire ọgwụ. Onye tọrọ agada mee ya ire ọgwụ. Abụba ajọ bụ isi okiriwe nke ọ maara ire ọgwụ. Ya ekputere agada mee ya ire ọgwụ. Gwakwana na okere ka ọ tọwara ogodo mmiri buru ya eburu ogodo ya bụrụ ngwongwo na ngwongwo eji eme ihe nga. Okere tọtọ ọjọọ ya mere nna ya ihe mere nna ya emekpọ ya maka ọkụkọ be na ngige ma ọkụkọ n'egwu ngige n'egwu.
Where do you think you're going? Where are you going to?
Are you going to deny me access into the palace?
You are allowed to come to my palace only when you're being summoned. Until then, I don't want to see you close to my palace. Go back to your shrine where you belong.
Your palace?
Yes, my palace.
Where is the king?
Didn't you hear me? Or do you want me to repeat myself? Oh, you want me to call the guards to behead you? Huh?
Onye ọbụla ọjọọ isi okiriwe nke ọ maara ire ọgwụ. Onye tọrọ agada mee ya ire ọgwụ. Nwata ahụ dị ga na mba ka a mụrụ ibie n'ọkwado ya bụ na dibịa gwara ọzọ ọzọ bịagburu dibe. Ebe ma nkiri ma nke ọzọ. Mmiri na bụ mmiri ma na-enwere isi mmiri. Eke niile bụ eke ma na-enwere eke nwa ọbịa. Omeke chọrọ iji ije eke ga-eji gaa tụkwa agwa agwa ka ọma mmiri.
You have wasted! And what will feed your flesh to the vultures? Fool!
No! This cannot happen. They cannot bring this kind of shame to my name. No, I must go and see her.
And where do you think you're going to?
Your Highness, please. I want to see the king. Please, I beg you with anything you hold sacred to. Allow me see the king, please, I beg you, please.
You can't see him.
Please, Your Highness.
I said you can't see him!
Your Highness, your father wants to see you immediately.
I don't want your kiss, man. I don't want your kid delay. They go deep in melody. I don't want your job one way.
Your Highness. My love, I know you are still in there. Please wake up. Wake up and save this kingdom because it's about to be ruined. Remember you promised to protect me forever. Please, my love. Look at me now. Please wake up. You are my strength. Please come to my rescue. Please, I beg of you, just wake up and save this kingdom, please.
I don't want you to go my Who will help me? I'm going to get up on my I know mama. I'm going to get up on I'm going to get Who will help me?
Father, what are you doing here?
Oh, Malechan, and then I want to talk to you
about your decision of becoming the supreme ruler of this kingdom. This has never happened before. Please, whatever might have happened to the king, if he is dead, release the offer to Ezemo so that the gods can choose another man and to rule over this kingdom.
Father, you have just insulted me.
Hey.
Yes, but you've forgotten that you told me that someday everyone that laughed at me will someday fall under my feet.
Yes, I know that I say so.
But that will be when you might have given the king an heir to the throne, not you taking over the throne.
Please, my daughter, stop this madness and save your father's honor. With what face do you want me to face my mates?
Father, I am disappointed at you. I thought you were supposed to be proud of me. But here you are, condemning me.
My daughter, there is nothing to be proud of in this matter. Nothing. Please. Please, you should know that...
Silence! I do not want to see you in my palace again. Leave before I throw you out.
Njide, do not let pride destroy you and this kingdom.
Get out!
Greetings, Chidoto, daughter of Usobe, the son of Echidime, offspring of Ani, the ancient deity of the earth, fathered by a mortal and nurtured in immortality, the supreme being of truthfulness and sincerity. I greet you.
Greetings, Ajunku the Great. Speak.
Great one, what is bigger than the cricket has entered the cricket's hole. This kingdom is in trouble. We need your help to salvage this kingdom from this danger and disaster.
What do the gods require of me?
You are the offspring of the gods, supreme being of truth and sincerity. Oh, you see the gods more than I see, and you hear from the gods more than I hear. Let Ani, the ancient deity of the earth, salvage this kingdom.
You have a message from the gods.
What did they say?
This kingdom and the life of His Highness are on the brink of destruction, and it is only you can save them.
How do I do that? I can't even leave this palace. Guards are everywhere. How do I do it?
That has been taken care of. You can go now.
I can go. There are no guards. Nobody's stopping me.
Go, and nobody will see you.
I came as soon as I was told.
Your Majesty, this kingdom and the men you love are about to be destroyed.
May the gods forbid.
It is not your fault.
Everything is happening because of my carelessness. Oh, I should have waited on the gods. I should have waited for the gods to speak. But no. I acted in my own wisdom by advising you to seek help from Njideka. I am sorry. Forgive me, Your Majesty.
It's okay, wise one. I have forgiven you already. Please, what do I have to do to save Akonna?
Have you heard of the calabash of oath?
Drink it. If the king meets another maiden, she will conceive. That goes for you, my daughter. If you lay with another man, you will also conceive. Just as the water splashes on the earth, so as Akonna's seed scattered when the calabash of oath was broken.
Wise one, what calabash?
Leave us. Make hurry and leave the king, or make him take another pride. Nothing will ever make you bear a child for Akonna.
No. No. Why me? Why would the gods and Machi treat me like this to the man that I love? Why?
You may now go, my daughter.
I'm not going anywhere, wise one. Answer me! What have I done? What did I do to deserve this? Answer me!
You may go! Go!
Yes. Yes, wise one, I've heard about it. But what does that have to do with all this?
I am sorry. That is the cause of everything. In this kingdom, the calabash of oath is the secret of fruitfulness and protection which the gods are solemnly given to the royal household. As long as the calabash of oath remains in the royal household, the king has assurance of producing an heir. And most importantly, he is protected from all negative charms. But it is a pity. Oh, it is pathetic. The calabash of oath has been broken.
Broken? How? By whom?
Greetings, my king.
Where is my son?
He has gone out, my king.
What? He has gone to see that cursed maiden.
Yes, my king.
Watabunia na yenu. Mungu na ngungu anyachie anya. When a child throws his father up, blindness becomes the order of the day. Akonna! Since you have failed to listen to your father, may the gods push you into taking another maiden. Machi, I reject you. And as I reject you, so shall the gods and the earth also reject you. Watabuni anaenu. Ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayo tie anya. Akuna!
By breaking the calabash of oath, the late king severed the ties between the gods and the royal household and the gods. The gods killed him instantly. And then Njideka in her quest to have King Akuna went to Itu, the dark witch doctor that lives in the forest of Ajofia, for powers. And he empowered her. He gave her powers to control her desires and subject the king to her whims. Your Majesty, it is only the power of the calabash of oath that can save the king and this kingdom.
Wise one, please. How do I get the calabash?
The calabash of oath can only be conjured at the river of the four gods, in the forest of the four gods.
The forest of the four gods?
Yes. And it is only a maiden with a pure heart that can go into the forest of the four gods, touch the calabash of oath, and leave. And that maiden is you, Your Majesty, my queen. The gods has certified you pure and blemished. Oh, you are a woman with a pure heart. You love unconditionally even when you are wronged. You and only you can save this kingdom. Go to the forest of the gods. Get the calabash of oath and save your husband and this kingdom. Save this kingdom. Save this kingdom. Save this kingdom. No!
Your Highness. Your Highness, we have searched everywhere for her, but she's nowhere to be found.
Your Highness, we are convinced that she's not in this palace.
You may go.
Yes, Your Highness.
As long as she's not back in this palace, she's free to leave. But any day she dares come back to my palace, I will kill her myself.
I have given you all the power you need to acquire the required and maintain the necessary power to go and come back. For the journey you are about to embark on, no mortal or immortal can stand on your way and stop you. Is your symbol of power. Yes, your symbol of authority. Fear not. Makane bubago na echago. If I could tell me, do not fear the army of 1,000 lions led by a leopard, but fear the army of few sheep led by the spirit of Ndeli, because the spirit of Ndeli is the spirit of death. You have 3 days. 3 days to get to the rivers of the 4 gods and bring the calabash of oath. Nothing should make you stay there till the 3rd night. Rise. I am Uzo Agaga, the guardian of this realm that leads to the river of the four gods. Humans are not permitted to pass through the forest of the gods. Diseased and return back to the land of the hills.
Uzagaga, please. I cannot go back. The lives of my people depends on this journey. Please, Great One, grant me passage. I beg of you, please.
You seek for a passage into the forest of the gods with nothing. You seek a passage into the forest of the gods. What do you bring?
You should have loved me just as I love you. But you chose to love another. Even when all odds were against you. You refused. You insulted me and your father's name. Now where is she? Where is she? Just few market days that you couldn't stand on your feet. She left you and ran away. She ran to save her life. Just to show you how selfish she is. Akuna, you will be my toy forever. Forever!
What brings you into the forest of the gods?
Greetings, old wise mother. May the grey hairs on your head last longer than the gods have intended. Please, grant me passage to the river of the four gods.
With only a sacrifice.
Your Highness.
You have come for the calabash of oat?
Yes, Your Majesty. Please, I need the calabash. Please, I need to take it to Mmachi kingdom. Else, the kingdom will be doomed forever.
Is it not the plan of the gods that you do not leave my son to marry another maiden that will give him a son to carry my name to the next generation.
Your Majesty, the gods sees and understands all. I do not come here to save myself, but to save the man that I love. I don't know why you hate me so much, Your Majesty, but please, give me the calabash of oats. Let me save the one that I love, and let the gods take my life. For I have nothing to live for, knowing that the one that I love and his people are about to die. Please, Your Majesty, please, please.
Indeed, your heart is pure. I was wrong to judge you on the mistake of your mother. Forgive me. Amadioha and Ami rejected me for treating you bad. And they insisted that I must wait for you here to come for the calabash of oath, so that I will seek for your forgiveness to enable me join and rest with my fathers.
I bear no grudges against you, Your Majesty. My king, I have forgiven you long ago.
Thank you.
My king! Your Majesty!
As your king, I have decided to remove Ajonko as a spiritual custodian of this land and replace him with Itu of Ajofia. And I do not want to hear any murmur. Else, I will behead you, useless men. That will never happen. You would have remained where you were. Why did you come back? Why did you come back? Give me that.
Please forgive me.
For what?
I was not even pregnant.
Abomination.
I thought you were sick. What are you doing here?
Maid, please bring down your voice. I want you to do me a favor. Tell the queen that I'm carrying a child in my womb.
No,
No.
Why do you expect me to tell the queen to lie to the queen? It's an abomination.
I'll give you 100 calories. 100.
100 calories?
Yes. Do you want the money or you don't want it? Very nice. 100 calories. Just tell her I'm pregnant. That's all. Thank you.
Don't call my name. You promised to give me my money last market day. What happened?
I'm sorry, I have it here. Let me give it to you.
Better do it.
Please forgive me, Papa. My brother.
Aru!
Please, my queen, please have mercy on me, please. I don't want to die.
I call on the 4 gods of Akoli Kingdom. Osebuluwa, Ani, Oburu, and Amalioha. Come and heal this land!
You want to follow?
My sister.
Chodoka.
Miri Maruku
ngwu na mma agaghị adịla ya nkọ maka ọma mmiri amara osimiri na osimiri dị ogbu. Long live my king! Long live the queen! Long live
Ajawani anye mere gini Ajawani gini ka imere gi Jezebel Obi diya nazu Ajawani Okwani Jezebel Ajawani no Hajamatu no Ajawani okisi eme Ajawani okidile They go deep in melody Ajawani melodia Ajawani okisi receive Ajawani jobo weya